Duties of loco inspector: AC, diesel and fuel. And duties of instructor: duties of loco inspector: inspection, field work online, field work in sheds and crew booking lobbies, and general. AC loco inspector: inspection, footplate inspection during day and night to check abnormalities online and rectification of the same through concerned departments. Inspection of running room allotted to him regarding facilities available for running staff. To conduct ambush checks in automatic signaling territory to see whether the loco pilots are following relevant rules as laid down in GNSR book. Periodic checking of loco pilots' personal equipment and stores. Surprise inspection of outfits, crew booking officers, including breathalyzer equipment for proper functioning and usage, and to check that proper procedure is followed. Inspect locomotives allotted to him, particularly in regarding to safety items, including proper functioning of flasher lights, etc., and take necessary action to get the defects attended by the home or outstation shed as convenient. Check wastage, spillage, misuse or pilferage of lubricating oil, greases, etc. Joint checking of emergency telephone sets provided on electric locos with supervisors of S&T department. Field work online. Plan out in advance and train LPs and other running staff to learn the road and become fully familiar with all the signals, especially automatic signaling sections and layout of track and route, and in yards. Test the running staff for their knowledge of route and arrange for issue of competency certificate to them. Carry out load speed checks, intersection running time, braking distance, signal visibility checks, joint inspection with S&T department, riding quality checks of locomotives, test staff of others. Departments as prescribed for their knowledge of rules applicable to operation of electric locos for reporting to CNDE or DEE or ADE RSO if any irregularities are noticed. To conduct air brake application test of the new loco pilots after training. To train loco pilots of poor caliber allotted to him by giving intensive training online, and in exceptional cases when a person fails to make the grade, submit report to CNDE RSO. Conduct trials for energy conservation, modifications, heavy haul trains with maintenance staff. To improve driving skills of loco pilots by adopting latest methods of energy conservation. Footplating mail express trains to make up loss of time to the maximum MPS, loss due to loco defects or other account. conduct punctuality drives to ensure punctual running of Mail Express and slow passenger trains, and counsel LPs to make up time without violating MPS, to arrange issue of competency certificate to running staff for working in automatic signaling sections after giving them 1 day intensive training and after testing their knowledge. Test check the correctness of the speedometers on the run and arrange for attention to defective speedometer by the shed staff as required. Arrange timely renewal of speedometer charts and sealing of speedometers. Scrutinize speedometer charts removed from locomotives and report to superiors if any overspeeding or other irregularities are noticed. 100% scrutiny of charts from Mail Express and passenger trains, and 25% of charts from goods trains should be carried out. Maintain records in respect of running staff allotted to his control, indicating the training imparted, refresher and promotional courses gone through, knowledge of safety rules, knowledge of troubleshooting procedures, etc. Escort, VIP and other important or special trains. Carry out any special drives and trials as directed by headquarters or division. Make a review of troubleshooting carried out by each loco pilot and impart necessary guidance if any incorrect procedure or irregularity is brought to light. To associate training schools and ensure the troubleshooting aspects that are taught in the classes are relevant to the existing problems, education of running staff regarding locomanship, loco failure and breakdowns. Field work in maintenance sheds. Monitoring faulty equipment prone to failure and consuming more lubricating oils and other follow-up with sheds. To check maintenance aspects of relays, including their proper sealing, contractors, rotating switches and other equipments are proper and trouble-free working. Conduct and plan out in advance a LP to check provision of rainwater protection and fire prevention measures in electric locos. Coordinate with maintenance staff to give proper attention of the safety fittings on the locomotives. Making joint check of loco failures, loco met with accidents, brake power of trains, losing time, etc. Maintain records for the locomotives allotted to him in respect of inspections, defects developing from time to time and report to superiors as required. Conduct or coordinate fact-finding inquiries for DAR, investigate cases of accidents involving electric locos, loco failures, train parting, overshooting of signals or breach of block rules. Check and eliminate cases of unnecessary detention to locomotives and crews in loco sheds and in traffic yards before and after working trains. General. To prepare efficient and effective links for Mail Express trains for electric locos and loco pilots getting maximum utilization of assets without violating Adjudicators award, scrutinize power plants, passenger links, crew links and timetable before and after publication of timetable for their correctness. Attending electric loco failures, safety and statistics meetings in headquarters or divisions. Issuing guidelines to the loco pilots for improving reliability, safety and maximum utilization of locos. Ensure headquarters or railway board statements pertaining to electric loco performance, stalling cases, etc. are submitted in time. Watch over implementation of 10 hours rule to running staff. Close contact with power controllers or CTLC to deal with day-to-day electrical and crew problems connected with train operations. Conducting group discussions with running staff for tackling the constraints faced by other staff and finding their solutions. Duties of diesel loco inspector. Inspection. Footplate inspections to be conducted on locomotives and crew for their performance. Regular joint signal sighting inspections with TI and SI of the section. Crew booking, running shed, crew booking offices and running room inspections and educating the loco pilots in filling CTRs correctly. Surprise periodical checks on fuel installations and watch on wastage, spillage, misuse or pilferage of oils. Night inspection have ordered by concerned officers. Surprise checks on incoming and outgoing balance in loco tanks tiled as per the vouchers. Ensuring that the fuel staff is maintaining the records for correct accountal of HHD oil and proper samples are drawn for laboratory test. Field work. Conducting load trials, speed trials, lube oil consumption trial, intersectional running time trial and load factor calculations, fuel trips, ration trials when ordered. To carry out safety and punctuality drives as and when required. Counseling and educating the loco pilots in handling of locomotives, troubleshooting and in fuel economy drive. Reporting poor brake power incidents and irregularities noticed affecting safety and efficient working of trains. Training of newly promoted loco pilots, mainline and in guard sections. Investigating the causes of engine failures and testing the running staff in GNSR, troubleshooting and breakdown tests. Accompany and monitoring the VIP trains and any other special drives ordered by headquarters or division. Watch the locomotives and loco pilots heavy in fuel consumption and monitor them. Field work in sheds or in crew booking cells. After footplate inspections, follow-up attention to be shown on repairs to locomotives to improve the performance and reliability of locomotives. Coordinate with maintenance staff to give proper attention of the safety fittings on locomotives. Checking up records maintained in lobbies, breathalyzer equipment and loco pilots personal equipment. Checking relief train arrangements and its equipment to associate with training schools and ensure education of running staff regarding troubleshooting, enginemanship, engine failure and breakdowns. Control our lubricating oil consumption and close contact with TLCs and PCORs to deal electrical, mechanical and crew problems. Scrutinizing of power plant, engine and crew links and working timetable before and after publication of timetable for their correctness. Periodically check the accuracy of flow meters, calibration of storage tanks and fuel oil or blow rods of locomotives. Check on the proper maintenance of documents in connection with fuel oil accountal, drain oil accountal, tank wagon movements and detention in sheds, etc. General. Conducting DR inquiries and any other inquiries ordered by officers. Watch over implementation of 10 hours rule to running staff. Attending mechanical, statistical, safety and fuel economy meetings or seminars. Fixing of fuel trip rations, attending accident spots and joining with other department supervisors in taking readings, etc. to perform any other duties assigned by officers time to time. Duties of fuel inspector. Planning and organizing for achieving fuel economy of HSD oil, traction fuel. The following factors will contribute for fuel economy. Operating factors. Loco pilot should drive expansive driving. LP should know thorough knowledge in road and signals. Give sufficient time 15 to 20 seconds for opening each notch. Locomotive should maintain well pressures, avoiding brake binding on formation. Advice to drivers to work on 7th notch as it gives good performance and minimize fuel consumption. Advice to use dynamic brake often and often to save fuel. LPs should have thorough knowledge in fuel preparation. Mechanical factors. No leakages in the fuel oil system. Prescribed schedules to be attended regularly. Attending periodic schedule on fuel injectors. Electro-hydraulic governors should be in good working condition. Engineering factors. Consider below 20 kmph to be minimized. Rail joints should be welded continuously to achieve energy conservation. Avoid banner flags at site as far as possible. Traffic factor. Miscrossings and out of course stoppings should be avoided. Shunting at wayside stations should be avoided. Stopping at reception signals should be avoided. A through path to be given. C&W factors. Avoid brake bindings on formation. Composite brake blocks to be introduced. Intensive and super intensive checks to be introduced. S&T factors. Signal visibility should be maintained perfectly. General factors. Train detention more than 30 minutes. Engine should be shut down with the permission of traffic and mechanical department. Maintenance of RCD, reception site and issue site, no leakages on pipelines. Causes for heavy fuel consumption. Increased light engine kilometers, heavy detentions and late starts, utilization of heavy types of locos on light services, increase in idle hours, engine failures. Increased shed movements and oil used for other purposes in the shed. Droppage in speed of trains and loss of punctuality. Bad engine maintenance, improper operation of locos, misuse of fuel by engine crew. Duties of instructor. Duties of instructor. Preparing of running course materials as per Railway Board modules. Imparting training to the running staff on different promotional and conversion courses for ALP, Shunter, LP goods, LP passenger. Imparting refresher course training for ALPs, Shunter, LP goods, LP passenger and LP mail express and also loco inspectors. Imparting initial training to loco inspectors and apprentice ALPs. Preparing of case studies, failures of running staff while working on loco. Preparing PowerPoint presentations for imparting training to the staff. Preparation of working models with coordination of maintenance staff. Imparting additional training as per headquarters instructions as and when given. Maintain an appropriate learning environment. Find out the weak areas of trainees and monitor closely to build up confidence. Imparting training to improve good enginemanship. Online handling to impart practical training. Preparing of troubleshooting directory. Conducting of safety and technical seminars. Preparing e-modules. Updating the course material as per RDSO modifications. Analyzing the day-to-day online failures. Thank you.